Hello, everyone. Welcome to my digital adventure. My name is Thelma Kwade. Join me today as we learn about VoiceThread. VoiceThread is a collaborative multimedia slideshow that hosts images, documents, and videos, and also allows people to navigate slides and leave comments via text, voice, audio file, or webcam. To gain access to the site, you should type in voicethread.com as highlighted here on my screen. Okay, since I already have an account with Thread, I'm just going to go to my account. So this is how the interface of the VoiceThread account looks like or website looks like. Okay. Um, for me, the most important button or the most important tab on this website is the create button. So we're going to click on the create button and so that you can have the chance to create a VoiceThread presentation. Now, just so you know, to be able to create a VoiceThread presentation, you can upload slides from a PowerPoint presentation and also provide a vocal or written commentary on the slides. You can also upload pictures and other documents types. So now we're going to move on to create a VoiceThread presentation and see how that goes. Okay, so I'm going to slide my screen just a little so that I can have access to this. Now, I am dragging this and putting in here. So when I just dragged a picture into my VoiceThread presentation. So it's going to ask me to create a title. So I'm going to write Third World Farmer because that is the presentation that I am going to create. And then you can choose to add a description, but I'm not going to add a description. Then I'm going to click Save. Okay. Now, you see this here. Now, this is what we have uploaded. Okay, as you can see, it looks pretty good. You can choose to add extra media if you so desire, or if you are done, if this is all you want to upload onto the VoiceThread presentation, then you can go ahead and then comment. Now, the comment section is going to allow you to be able to make comments on your presentation or on your picture or your slide, however you want to call that. Okay, now to do so, you click on this little button here. As you can see, we have the ABC. So the ABC allows you to write a written text or a written commentary. This is for call. That is very interesting. You make a comment using your phone. And then here is a microphone, which will allow you to record an audio comment. And then this part is a video camera, I guess, which will allow you to record a video commentary. Okay. And then when you're done, you can upload if you so desire. So we are just going to quickly make a quick video or a vocal commentary on this. I do not know how that is going to work. It might give some feedback. Um, let's hope it doesn't. I'm just going to say a brief hello and then we'll leave it at that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the video. Well, I've clicked on it. If it decides to show. So whilst we're trying to figure out whether the video is ever going to load, I guess, we'll just leave it at that and then move on to other features of the VoiceThread presentation. So once you're done with all of it, it will allow you to play back what you have already done. And then when you finish playing back and you are sure that everything is okay and you are okay with the message that you've recorded, you can then go ahead and click save. So once you save it, then you can come to this X button and then X out. After Xing out, then we have the share button. So when you click on the share button, it will allow you to upload the VoiceThread presentation wherever you want. Okay. Now let's see what will come up. You see, so as you can see, you can copy the link, which is here, and then when you copy the link, you can go and upload it wherever you choose to upload the presentation. Well, that has been a brief commentary about VoiceThread. And one thing I would encourage is that you take more time to explore the website, and then soon you would have yourself creating wonderful, wonderful presentations. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you on another another digital presentation. Bye.